Are you worried that your computer SSD might fail on you? In this video, we will show you how to assess your SSD's health on Windows in just 5 minutes. This is something every Windows user should know, so don't miss this opportunity. Let's get started. To begin, open the Settings app on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings from the list. Once you're in the Settings app, look for the System category. Click on it to access a range of system-related settings. Within the System settings, find and click on Storage. This will take you to the storage-related options for your device. Click on Advanced Storage Settings, then on Disks and Volumes settings. Now, you should see a list of all the storage devices connected to your system. Locate your SSD in the list and click on its properties. Here, you'll find detailed information about your SSD, including remaining lifespan, available spare space, and temperature. When you receive a warning notification or notice the drive's health degrading, you should immediately create a backup of the data to another physical drive. Also, this should be a good time to replace the drive before a critical failure may cause data loss. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.